Drum roll, please. 3 things. 1. I created a vegan recipe ebook. 2. It is part of this year's plant-based bundle. 3. I'm doing a big old giveaway of some of my favorite vegan snacks. My eye's switching. It's because I'm so excited. First, let's talk about my ebook. It is called Garden Grub, which is based off of my vegan food blog, garden meaning vegan and grub meaning delicious, comforting food. It contains 20 flavorful vegan recipes with everyday ingredients and easy to follow instructions. There are 4 breakfast, 4 lunches, 4 appetizers and snacks, 4 dinners, and 4 desserts. Some recipes are on the healthier side, while some are pretty indulgent. As mentioned, my ebook is part of this year's plant-based bundle. Now, if you don't know what the plant-based bundle is, it is a collection of over 200 plant-based ebooks, courses, and guides from the best plant-based cookbook authors, chefs, doctors, and personal trainers. If you were to buy everything separately, it would cost you almost $9,000, but the plant-based bundle only costs $50. This insane deal is only going on from today, November 18th, until November 28th. If you want to check out the plant-based bundle, it is, of course, linked in my bio. If you purchase the plant-based bundle through my link and follow me on Instagram, you will automatically be entered into my giveaway. The giveaway contains a ton of my favorite vegan food products, from snacks to truffle oil to non-alcoholic aperitifs. I'm so excited. I'm literally going to poop my pants. What? Thank you so much for watching. Bye!